So this section is gonna be all about rough wiring. Rough wiring is essentially the behind the scenes or behind the walls stuff that we're gonna do. So it's, you know, where to run the wire, what kind of wire to use, and why it's beneficial to know where you're putting that before you can't go back.
Within this section, we are going to be running all of our wires to our predetermined locations where all our lights are going to be, where our plugs are going to be, and where our fridge is going to be. This should already have been pre-planned. And again, that Sharpie tip, this is where my fridge will go, this is where you will run your wire to. So we're going to talk about wire types, how to run your wires, how to secure your wires. Pro tip, leave your wire ends at least 2 feet. So that gives you plenty of room to work with. You can always snip some off. It might sound a little bit wasteful, but if your wires aren't long enough, that's always a headache. So we're gonna teach you how to properly run this stuff so that way the wires don't vibrate and get cut by sharp vehicle metal, and then you have shorts further on down the line. This is a crucial point, and it all has to do with wire sizes, wire location, and also how to secure all of this wire.